Okay, let's give this a try. So here's the clicking noise right here. So if I play this.
And drawing from life. And I mean, a lot of what constitutes my work is stuff from.
But the problem is right here on this particular clip. Those are the clips.
And I mean, a lot.
So that's what we need to get rid of. It's really, I can't find a way to do it in Adobe Premiere. So I'm going to right click or control click, go to edit clip in Adobe Audition. And that's my go-to when I can't fix it in Premiere. So here, there's a couple different viewing options. This waveform will allow you to see these waves. And here you can see it. I'm going to hit the plus sign to zoom in. And then I can just scroll across here. Those are the clicks right there. So what we need to do is we need to tell Audition what those clicks are. I'm hitting the plus sign a little bit more so I can zoom in more. And just tell it to remove just those clicks from the entire piece.
And I mean, a lot.
So let me go back here. I'm going to do Command D to deselect, but I'm going to click and drag to select. Now, what I want to do is go to Effects, Noise Reduction Restoration, and in this case, I'm going to go to Sound Remover, and then I'm going to say Learn Sound Module. So I have the sound selected that I want to remove, which is just the clicks. Okay, so you can see down here that it removed it. And it's also got a preview button you can play right there. So you can hear that nothing is happening here. If I click that off, then
and I mean, a lot of
it plays it. Let me take that playhead.
And
that's with the clicks. Hit that green button. It gives you a preview.
And I mean,
that's without. Now what I have to do is Command A to select all. And then here, again, this is a preview button. So if I hit this.
Yeah, that in and of itself is like its own mystery school. It can teach you a whole lot.
Sure.
Just sitting and drawing from life. And I mean, a lot of.
Sounds better to me. Now, if you want to fine tune it, you can move these sliders around. But sometimes you'll get a real echoey sound. Oh, and one more thing, I did click this button that said Enhance for Speech. So now I'm going to hit Apply. It's going to apply the changes.
A lot of what constitutes my work is stuff from the imaginal realm. And
I also went and opened History. So if you don't have History open, you can go to Help and get on that History button. So you could undo it if you didn't like it and then revisit those changes. I'm going to hit Command S. That should save it back into Premiere. And we'll be able to tell because right here you can see that that sound has been removed.
A whole lot. Sure. Just sitting and drawing from life.
Give it a try. I think it's worth it. Hope that helps. There it is. That's like the healing brush, spot healing brush tool is in Photoshop. It's B. You hit B. So I'm going to be in waveform. When that comes up, you'll get these tools. That's the brush tool in this program. And then you have to go down here just like the healing brush in Photoshop. And then you can click on something and get rid of it. That's if you want to do it one at a time. Okay, that's it.